Let's make Ghana's black chili sauce. This is basically sauce, okay, or stew, but you don't need much quantity as compared to the usual stew that we pair with our rice. You just need small. A tablespoon should be okay because it is very rich. This sauce is absolutely delicious and very nice. Also, it is healthy, and trust me, you will love it. I have with me here my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, my natural herbs and spice. I've added that to it, and I have some oil in there. So this is basically pepper sauce. Okay, so just listen to the name, black chili sauce, not wachi stew. So if I say not wachi stew, we are not going to use tomato paste in the black chili sauce, but should you want to add tomato paste, you can go ahead and do so. But the authentic original Ghanaian black chili sauce, but not black stew, we don't use tomato paste. Now give this a stir, fry it very well, and then we can continue. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. And my returning ones, I'm so grateful that you always spend some time with me here. I'm so grateful. So when preparing shito, there are some ingredients there's no way you have to take it out, okay, or you can't take them out from the ingredients. It's a must. Do you get it? But there are some people who do not like certain things, but we just have to prepare it's different way or make it in another way so that we all can enjoy our shito. And in today's shito, we are not going to add our shrimp powder because some people are allergic to shrimps. Some people do not take shrimps because of doctrine or because of something. So today's own, we are not going to add shrimps to it because most of my people do not eat shrimps. If I say my people, I'm trying to say my customers. Most of them, they do not eat shrimps. So today, a special one for them. We are just going to fry this and make sure it fries well. In as much as we want the thing to become dark, does not give us the permission to burn it. Okay, as you continue stirring it, it will become black on its own. Now I've added my pepper to that. That is my powdered pepper. You can as well use fresh pepper. Okay, I usually use the fresh pepper. So the pepper or the quantity of pepper you'll be using depends on you. If you don't want it very spicy, just do not make it very spicy. Most of the people who buy from me, they do not want it spicy. So I used to prepare it very mild, okay, but now I do it spicy, mild, and extra hot, okay, so that we all can get some to enjoy. But in today's video, we don't want it hot or extra hot. We are making it mild, okay, and trust me, this was absolutely good. When preparing shito, you need a lot of oil. Oh yes, you need a lot, because when you even add the fish powder to it, you can see that all of a sudden you can't find the oil on top. Yeah, so you need a lot of oil to prepare this. Now I've added some of the oil to it, and I will just go ahead and give it a stir, okay, very well. We don't want it to burn, as I said earlier, but we want it black. So some people do also not want it dark like that. They want it a bit brown, but not like the watch like sauce, okay. Yes, they want it black but not very dark. So for me, I do it in any form that you want. If you want it dark, you will get some to buy. If you want it brown, you will get some to buy. If you want it hot, mild, extra hot, you will get anything that you want. Yes. Now I am just going to make sure I stir this very well. As you can see, I am taking it from the under, okay, but it is not bent. As you can see, yes, just allow it to be on the fire on a medium heat so that it will not burn, and also make sure you keep an eye on it. Now this is where we have gotten to, and it already looks so delicious. Someone may ask, what if I don't eat fish or I don't eat shrimp? You can as well prepare this without shrimp, fish, or anything. It will taste good, okay? But I have one that I shared with you that will be about a year or two on this channel. It's for vegans. You can go ahead and go through my videos. Trust me, you will love that recipe. It was so delicious. Now this takes time, okay? You can use 10 minutes to prepare your shito. It takes time, so just have time for it. Do not rush it, do not increase the fire too much, but have time for it. As you can see, the oil is missing again. Yeah, when it is ready, you will see some on top, but not too much like that because it takes a lot of oil. I do not add any seasoning cube to my shito. Yes, because even the shrimp and the fish powder alone adds some taste to the shito. So I actually do not have time wasting money to buy those things and then add to my shito. I just use the fish powder and then the shrimp powder. So today that we are not going to use the shrimp powder, we are going to use fish powder to replace the shrimp, so that we don't need to add anything to it or too much things to it, okay? Just the fish powder, the shrimp powder, and then you add your salt, you are good to go. Some of my customers do not even eat salt, so when I prepare it they tell me we want the one that does not contain anything salt. Yes, and trust me, they love it. It is so good. If you know how to prepare food, you know how to prepare food. Yes. So now I have added my fish powder to it. I will give it a stir, mix it very well, and then you are good to go. I have another one that I prepared without adding the shrimp powder, but I used different things which I will be sharing with you very soon. At this moment, trust me, I couldn't continue, okay? So I decided to set the fire off, go, and then I'll continue the next day. The next day I continued and I did not film that part. So when it got to this point, I decided to show you. Just look at that. It looks so delicious, and this was very easy to prepare, but trust me, it takes time, okay? I won't lie to you. We can't use 10 minutes to prepare this. As I said earlier, this was the next day. I can't wait to show you other way that I prepare my shito without adding the shrimps, but using different alternatives. Yes, trust me, it's always tastes very good. Thank you for watching from the beginning till now, and please do not hesitate to like the video, share to others. Let me see your comment in the comment section, and please follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. You are going to store this in airtight container, okay? You make sure you close it very well, and please do not use wet spoon to fetch the shito. It will spoil early, okay? Thank you so much. You can put it on the shelves or keep it in your fridge, and this will last longer, not in the freezer, okay? Unless maybe you did not cook it well. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.